Hello, my name is Lilian Jaime. I've been a dentist for probably more than 20 years. I love be able to help patients. I love to give hope to teeth that probably patients feel like, okay, there is no hope for me to get that functionality in the smile that I need. I am very compassionate. I'm very empathetic for your pain, and I would like to walk with you and help you to know that there is a way out. And I will walk with you and I will hold your hand. You won't feel that you're alone. And we'll be here every step of the way and provide the best dental outcome for you. And I love dentistry. This is just my passion. And being able to see those beautiful smiles is just bring a lot of happiness for me to know that I can be helpful. If you need a dental treatment, of you need a dentist, I would love to give us an opportunity to provide and help you and work with you and give you different options that you may need for your teeth. There is hope. There is encouragement that we will give you. We'll work with you and help you to maintain, one, the health in your body, to provide the smile that you want and you need, and also will provide that function that is needed in your mouth. First entrance for anything into your body is through your mouth. So keeping a healthy mouth is keeping a healthy body. So that's our vision, that's our desire. And so if you want to give us an opportunity, it would be we will really appreciate it to work with you.